On the last video I did on the 360 drones, I was comparing to the key contenders, the DJI Avata 360 and the A1. Yeah, I got some good feedback from that video to kind of push me one way or the other. I was already leaning towards the DJI Avata 360 just because it's on paper, it's got way better features and the price is way better. I've still been kind of looking around at different footage clips and videos on that, and it's just a cool drone. The features on it are just ideal for what I need. I've been kind of holding out for a premium drone, and this thing just seems to have it all for me. The 8K for 60 frames per second, ability to just fly through a single pass through a facility. The 1-inch flagship imaging should be good for low light conditions, and I will be in low light quite often. The integrated prop guards are mandatory for this. It just seems much more heavy duty than some of the other products out there. So, if I accidentally bump into something, which I shouldn't do because it's got the omnidirectional obstacle avoidance controller options I really like. May be able to use the goggles for navigating the terrain I'm going to go through in like an industrial complex. And also got the standard handheld controllers with the screens on them. Should be ideal. And I like having those options. And look at this footage. This footage I found is apparently from an Avata 360. Just look at that color here, amazing. That's incredible. I don't know where this footage is taken, but that's it's gorgeous. So I'm still leaning towards the DJI Avata 360. I am seeing it coming up on Amazon. You can buy it on there. I don't see it yet for some reason on the DJI US website for their store. A lot of other countries have it already. It looks like it's still getting ironed out for that, but you can buy it on Amazon. I'll put a link below, one I found on there that you can pick it up from. And I'm an Amazon affiliate, so it is an affiliate link. And yeah, I continue to be really impressed with this drone. So yeah, check it out if you haven't already. Yeah, I'm still liking it. Definitely still looking at going that direction when I'm ready to pull the trigger.